Good morning! Yay! Where are you going?
Going to Hanoi, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yes! Yan, ganito po kasaya sa Sun Life. You can travel ng free. Yes. Thank you, BM.
BM.
O, diba? Very generous si BM. Dinala kami sa Vietnam. Yes. Pwede ako din.
Okay. Hello.
Ano ba? Saya?
Saan punta? Saan punta? Tinamoy.
Thank you. Thank you, Sun Life.
Nasa sa left side ang ano eh. Magkatapatan yung hotel. Siyempre, iba yung kain natin.
Masarap pa din yun. Ayan ang usong motor.
Ano, for rent?
No, that's your service. Yan talaga.
Em cho nên 5 Okay.
What's that?
Oh.
That's 10,000? 3, 6. No, 3 for 10,000. 3 for 10. 20,000.
50.
This one is
30.
Kung nagla-live ka, nagla-live din kami.
Ah, okay.
Kaya, please say hi.
Hi!
To Neriza Jacoso.
And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, OTG with Lori. Nangangailangan po ako ng mga subscribers. So ilan yan, tita?
Oh, ice cream. O, dyan lang. Upo ka lang dyan, ma'am.
Wala naman gusto kami sana pinag-aanohan pa nila, pinakakinabangan.
Oo.
Sila tayo. Laid back life sila. Lumalabas sila.
Okay, game. Oo nga, ma'am. Try natin, ma'am. How much?
40,000. No. 40,000. Ano ba yan? Ice cream?
Hindi, parang sa Baguio na nag-aso-aso. Yeah. Oo nga, hindi siya malamig. Oo. Isa lang bilhin natin, i-try lang natin. Ito, mama.
That's like a blue ice.
Ito, ma'am. Wait ka, saan natin?
Hindi namin alam kung ano kung
Oo, gusto namin siya i-try. Magkano daw? How much? 40. 40. Ito naman, pati. Ay, cold. O, sige na, kuha na kayo.
Sukli?
Oo.
Kanino?
Sukli ko. Akin.
I just want to know what is the lasa.
Ay, malamig.
Malamig. Dali. Oh, you try. Oh, go, ma'am.
Pingi-pingi isang. Parang chichiri dyan na ano.
Oo nga. Parang sa Baguio, diba? May ganito din eh. Malamig? Ah, go.
Oo, ba lumao ba?
Kaluka. Ay, saya.
Lapit siya na dun sa atin.
Our dinner for today. How's your food? Masarap ba?
Kami.
Busy kayo? Ah.
Busy sa pagkain. Sarap.
Masarap? Masarap, Miss Joyce. Let's eat! Herman G, ano kinakain mo? Masarap na? Pansit canton. Ikaw, ano?
I don't know. Mixed veggie ba to?
Ang tawag natin niya sotak.
Ano po? Hanoi. Hanoi. Sa city. City. Opo, city. Hindi, punta kaming Halong Bay.
Ito yung ano, hapon-hapon.
Opo. 2 hours yata.
Mm.
Okay. Madami na. Kailangan na. Ha? Ito, Hanoi. Nasa Hanoi pa din naman kami. Dami mo motor dito, no? Ano? Dami motor.
Oo.
Kumain ka na. Kumain ka na.
Yes, you know the opera house will be in 1901. Yes, yes, till 1911.
Saan opera house?
Yes, in the year 1901, the French people also found a huge cave in Ha Long Bay. They call La Grotte de
Nandito
la
pala yung ano.
Surprise.
Wait lang di ah.
It means a
Panoorin-
surprising
panoorin
cave.
mo.
It's a big cave inside a mountain in Ha Long Bay. Then today we also come to visit a big cave. In the afternoon, we hiking to cave in Ha Long Bay. So we had one more group of 3 who come to them in a few more minutes. Then we go to Ha Long Bay. Yes.
Kahit yung pinaka-sleep.
Mm-mm.
Baka dito bukas sa punta kami dito.
That is my wife and my 2 little daughter. But they are not here. They're not in Hanoi. They're living in my countryside named Nam Định. Yeah. It's south from Hanoi, 150 kilometers. Follow the river and can meet our house on the seaside. Yeah. So 150 kilometers. And we are now going to the northeast of our country, go to Ha Long Bay, to Quảng Ninh province, near China. Yes, from Ha Long Bay, just 200 kilometers far away from China. Yes, if you follow that river, we go called Red River. So 350 kilometers, you can reach to China. You can reach Sapa, a famous area in our country, Sapa. Yes. So this is the Red River. The Red River flow from China through Sapa, go to Hanoi, go to South China Sea. Yes, meeting to the Gulf of Tonkin and outside the Pacific Ocean. So you can follow this river and you can go to open sea and you can come to Philippines very close. Yeah. Palawan. Yeah. So today we are heading to Halong Bay. Yes. And it is the most beautiful area in our country. One of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And the new wonder of nature with nearly 2,000 of the beautiful limestone islands raised up from the deep sea. Yes, it looked great, very unique. Yes, and we had one afternoon in there. From here to Halong Bay is 150 kilometers. So normally we arrive to Halong Bay around 12 noon. Yes, and you know we had the morning cruise. We had day cruise, so they had morning cruise. They start around 7 a.m. return around 12. From 12 to 12:15. So they need time for cleaning. They need time to set up and cooking, prepare for us to check in. So around 12 to 12:15. That is a good time for us to check in the cruise and enjoy the lunch on the cruise. Yes. So we had one afternoon. We return to the harbor around 5:30 to 6 p.m. and then we return Hanoi around 8:30 in the evening. Yeah. May I check, do anyone go to airport tonight? Or have some kind of meeting or booking for something important before 8:30? No, right? Yeah. So we can have more time if we want, right? Yeah. Tonight when we return Hanoi, it still have night market and walking street. So if you want to join, you can tell us. We find somewhere to drop you nearby. We see the oyster hanging on the water. We see some family of fishermen living on the top of the water. You know, in the past, there are a lot of fishermen who live in Halong Bay. They live there. The stop like 25 minutes, 30 minutes because we are already nearby Halong Bay. We have chance to go use the toilet. You can see the process how the people they create the culture prawns, and also you can go to buy coffee. Yes. And maybe like half an hour, right? So remember the bus number, please, ladies and gentlemen, and we return after 30 minutes.
perles là, chez nous, comme je vous dis, le plus important c'est la présence de la perle. Et après la récolta, on va les trier selon quelques critères comme la forme, la taille, la couleur. Pour les jolies perles, on va faire des bijoux. Mais pour la plupart des perles, avec trop de défauts, la qualité c'est moindre. Alors on va les broyer pour avoir des poudres. Ensuite on fait des produits free.
See, because it's from the sea, has calcium, carbonate, and protein. So very good for the skin. Keep moisture, anti-wrinkle. See, more beautiful.
Tahiti South Sea. This is the Angoya. The bigger is expensive. Like this one, expensive. Oh, not for further. Guy. Gadis.
Dito na kami sa may mga pearl.
Ano yun? May nilagay naman siya sa loob. Ito, o, nilagay niya dito. Ito, bakit?
Nilagay niyo?
Oo,
Yeah, one cosmetic.
open niya. Kaya kinukulto.
Ayun kasi binuksan niyo. Hindi lang.
Kaya binuksan niya, tapos ilagay yan.
Ada.
You say hi.
Now you need so ticket. Right. Yes. It's the same function. So in type magic, you can use any of the toilet there, right? And it takes 1 more hour to reach the top T-top island. 1 hour. So 1 hour for lunch for relax. Now I wish you enjoy the lunch.
Ano siya? Ganun talaga. Mas ito to, chili brown pa. Oo. Ayun nga. Oo, natural nila yan. Kasi nga ba naman sa
Ika, pwede ko pahawak. Ay!
Oo, pag kaya.
Pag yun no?
Everybody.
Yay, papasok kami ng cave.
Sa international version ng El Nido.
Kaya nga.
Maganda pa rin po yung El Nido. Maganda pa rin ang Palawan na It's more beautiful in the Philippines. Maganda pa yung underground. Parang ito yung version nila ng underground.
Underground version of Vietnam.
Yung underground kasi ang haba nito. Saka ano makikot, diba? Mas challenging.
Kahit nga yan, hindi ka naman mabasain.
Hindi, may tendency kang mabasa dyan. And Ito lang, huwag masyadong mag-expect, ha? Oh my God.
Yun na yung cave? Yun na yun. Yun na yung cave? Ay, gusto ko din.
Look at the reaction. Yes, this is the cave. Open cave. Open. Saan na may ba?
Ano daw? Hashtag it's more fun.
Tapos ito pa, ikot-ikot na tayo dito? Oh my God.